Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report. This end-of-day report is for trading on February the 8th, 2017, Wednesday. Another day here in the gold futures. As you can see, the market so far hit a 1246.60 high, which was really nice. We hit a new high, so it's setting the stage for that 1250 mark, like I was saying in the prior day's video. And this right here is the proof of that. Its momentum is gathering and strengthening in the metals markets. Remember, folks, that fundamentals are divorced from the technicals, from the price action in just about every market. So it doesn't matter what we think. It just matters what the price does. And that's what we're trading here. Another thing that should be noted is that as traders, we are not prophets. We're not Yoda. All right. We are not sages. We do not try to predict price action. We can only tell you what the technical picture and the outlook is suggesting. Trading, though, involves more than just trying to predict or determine where price may go or end up. You have to trade what you see, and if the market does not move according to your expectations, then you have to be able to trade what you see and take the necessary precautions, and that's what we do. Here in silver, you see we hit a high of 1787.5. So again, a new high here on the daily chart. And the momentum is strengthening and gathering there too. I think we can get further in this Kumo cloud on the weekly chart, hopefully by Friday's close. Taking a look now at the gold miners, GDXJ, the juniors, you can see here that the market did hit a new high as well, and momentum looks good moving forward. So this should bode well for JNUG. And of course, looking at JNUG, you can see the story is the same. We're bumping up against some resistance here around the $13 handle, and if we can close above $13, preferably even $14, then that will also extend the pent-up energy going forward for the bull argument. Taking a look also at Nugget, you can see the market here is moving just like its JNUG counterpart, and we finished slightly bullish today as far as the overall trajectory of the momentum goes, but the market still looks good moving forward. Taking a look at NAC, you can see here finished stronger slightly. It's still a bullish outlook, a bullish picture, but we're elongated here within the consolidation, and we're just hoping that a breakout that comes will be to the upside and not a breakdown to the downside. But going forward, the momentum looks good here. I think we should be able to make a run and a close above 350. Moving forward now, looking at Pretty Ricky, you can see here that in just about all the miners, we're looking strong. We did close a little down today, but overall the momentum is still there, and the bullish outlook remains the same. I think we can get a close here at least around the $10 range. Taking a look here at AG. Again, bullish outlook still looks good. We are right at the bottom of the Kumo cloud here. I think we need a good strong close, preferably $11 or better, and that would set the stage for continued bullish outlook into next week. And I think we can get it. Looking at CCJ. CCJ is right here coming up upon this amazing ramp. I think this ramp is going to be able to catapult prices well beyond the $12 mark. We'll wait and see what happens, because on the weekly chart we're getting we're right there at the bottom of the Kumo cloud. So this is going to be an interesting one to watch for sure. Taking a look now at dry ships. Dry ships has been getting a whole lot of action. Let's take a look here at our intraday chart. You can see here, man, there's a little bit of green on the screen. I think the one $1.96 low. It's going to hold at this point, and I think prices are just setting the stage for a blast into the Kumo cloud. Preferably a close at $6 or better would set the stage for a possible bull run and a breakout of the Kumo cloud north of $10. So we have a lot of things to look forward to and to watch carefully in the coming days. Let's take a look at some of our other miners, the uranium complex. You can see here this URRE has really broken out here on the intraday chart. I think we got good momentum, but we'll probably hit a little resistance around the $2.40 mark. So that's something to watch for tomorrow. Looking at URA on the intraday chart too, you can see we're right outside, we're right about ready to break through the Kumo cloud and make a run toward the $18 mark. On the weekly chart, we got bullishness too, so the bullish outlook remains good there too. Taking a look at the triple U. Intraday chart looks also bullish, like it wants to punch through the Kumo cloud and get north of the $2.40 mark. This market still has a little bit of momentum left here to run as we're right below the Kumo cloud on the weekly chart as well. So this chart does look interesting moving forward. Looking here at the NASDAQ 100 via the QQQs on an intraday level, we did finish off right there at or near the highs. So this one's looking good, holding well on the weekly chart. We did hit a new high, and I think that the market is not done yet, and we should be able to take out this high on a continuation pattern tomorrow and possibly get a close above the 127 mark for tomorrow. And this does set the stage here for a continued bull run into next week. So the NASDAQ is looking strong at this point. So remember, if you are new to trading or have considered trading and you haven't taken the plunge yet, I strongly encourage you to come on over to pulsewavetrading.com, sign up and register so that you can learn how to trade the markets. Right now, we are offering free access to the Learning Academy and free access to the Premium Trading Room when you purchase your monthly subscription to the weekly post-wave price triggers. Come and learn how to hedge your physical holdings, your physical portfolio, learn how to benefit and make money when the central banks do what it is that they do or fail to do what they should do. Learn how you can turn the tides of economics and finance into your favor and how you can provide a substantial living for you and your family. Be encouraged and come on over to pulsewavetrading.com. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And before I leave you, taking a quick look at the bond market on the bond futures, you can see on the intraday chart, the bonds were strong. And this bullishness is starting to build even on the weekly chart. So for those of you who are have exposure to the long bond, we're trying to make a run here toward the first trend line resistance. The second trend line resistance is the 159 level, and I think we're going to make a run for that 159 in the coming weeks. So the outlook is bullish for the bond market, and that's the ticker symbol ZB on the future side. On the cash side, the ticker would be TLT, and you can see here the same bullish outlook. 127 is the target. 127.13 is the target in the TLT. So the bonds are bullish, and that is the outlook. I don't know if I covered this, but I'll do it real quick. The US dollar. Taking a look at the US dollar, you can see that it's trying to capture some support here on the weekly chart, but the market is still looking weak on the momentum side of things. This market would need a close a solid close above par this week to make the base argument and to set the stage for a possible rally next week. Taking a look at the Bitcoin did make a run earlier, and it's kind of like leveled off right now. You can see that here. All right, so it's still possible. I still stand by what I said before, that the Bitcoin right now is looking like it wants to make a real run again. And here we are right here at the point where you would see that happen. It's a very steep ramp here, and this is a huge possible run that could happen. So we'll have to wait and see. The table has been set, and we'll see what happens. So remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Remember to take what you can and give nothing back.